your boogers. That's disgusting. Sticking your finger in the cat's behind. That's disgusting. Stepping in dog poop. That's disgusting. Getting slugs flow near your arms. That's disgusting. Eating with your hands. That's disgusting. Drinking your bathwater. That's disgusting. Rolling around in a mud. That's disgusting. Smelling a sock. That's disgusting. Oh.
What about reading that book, Cooper?
I don't see it.
That's the very last one.
Oh no. I'm going to go back here.
That's disgusting,
Rolling
too.
in the mud.